curb appeal, and impressive updated ranch home with new kitchen cabinets from EKB Kitchens, quartz counters, flooring, and high-end Kitchenaide Stainless appliances. Other recent updates include central AC and complete bathroom renovation. The dining room is a step from the kitchen and has French doors that lead to the lovely screened-in porch. The brand new never-used pool heater is included in the sale. There is an underground dog fence that covers approximately an acre of the property. Basement has a B-dry system which provides dry usable space with a walkout to the backyard. Hardwood floors are in the living room, hallway, and bedrooms. This is a warm and inviting home. Call Maureen Cronin of Cronin & Company Real Estate at 845-744-6275.